Bitcoin money in every way that really matters has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a pretty by and large significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.52, fundamentally sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an unobtrusive way, in an unpretentious way. The sort of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense for the most part is at $153,131,305 in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is very huge. 17 December 2023, in this video we will by and large walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for pretty in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually certainly in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is certainly in every way that really matters. Momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, generally truly is BCH a kind of essentially wise speculation, which actually in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner incredibly. In any case, prior to plunging decently certainly profound into the BCH specialized examination, especially let us actually in a real sense discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, exhibiting that however prior to jumping pretty extremely profound into the BCH specialized examination. Entirely let us for the most part basically discuss the especially genuinely current economic situations, which essentially is very critical. Market examination over the sort of in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there truly all things considered, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially truly whole digital money market to $1,585,909,977,976, exhibiting how BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.52, really in spite of mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. The really all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $47,197,296,274, which basically shows that market examination over the actual sort of last 24 hours, there especially most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,585,000,000, which fundamentally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an essentially really significant manner in a for the most part enormous manner. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,853.52 level after a decay of 1.6%, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense certainly has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally especially, has seen a value diminishing of 1.35%, coming to $2,223.18 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically fundamentally thought in an especially large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83, following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time span, or so they fundamentally thought, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the fundamentally beautiful local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 0.94 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents in a very enormous manner, which really is very critical. Moreover, Solana came to $72.86 in the wake of seeing a decay of 4.98% in esteem, exhibiting what most certainly sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $41,853.52 level after a decay of 1.6%, showing that Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an in every practical sense, large way. These occasions certainly generally show that the market for the most part especially is going in a kind of genuinely descending heading for fundamentally sort of present moment, which essentially is genuinely huge amazingly. As of now, a really broad pretty especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.52, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition actually fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to especially generally recognize pretty essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Support sort of in a real sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly become genuinely essentially more truly dynamic and sort of fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any beautiful, most certainly further in an essentially genuinely significant manner as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction basically sort of is a level at which vendors explicitly really become most certainly truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.52 in a kind of large manner in spite of mainstream thinking. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The sort of current Bitcoin money cost, certainly especially is $228.52, with an exchanging volume of $153,131,305 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, in a kind of genuinely significant manner, which is very huge. Right now, BCH certainly is somewhere near 1.1% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,476,210,085 United States dollars, showing how similarly obstruction especially in every practical sense is a level at which dealers generally really become especially essentially dynamic and fundamentally in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.52, which especially explicitly is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost examination for 17 December 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83. Following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time period in an actually fundamentally significant manner. We utilize reasonably kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including pretty especially straightforward moving decently commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to basically fundamentally break down the future development of the Bitcoin money, so Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth, which basically is very huge in an extremely significant manner. While BCH's Williams %R marker sort of by and large is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially fundamentally signal for the most part is quite conceivable at this reach, which for the most part basically shows that 17 December 2023, in this video, we will basically in every practical sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and in every practical sense, explicitly attempt to answer these habitually entirely clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is pretty transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, truly is BCH an excellent venture, or so they actually